Welcome to RidgeLife. Today we're going to show the process for checking in a deer in Tennessee and also for submitting a sample for chronic wasting disease. Before we submit the deer for sampling, we need to take the antlers off. To do that, we're going to use a sawzall and saw at the base of the antler. Now cleanly remove the antler. Both antlers cleanly removed. To check in a deer in Tennessee on your phone or mobile, you open the TWRA On The Go app. Once an On The Go app, click Report a Harvest. From there, you scroll down and do Harvest Species. We're checking in a deer. Customer type. There's landowner, under 13, military, or born before March 1st. I am a landowner. Map is where you're at. Parcel number. Sex of the deer you're checking in is a male. Is the antler protruding above the hairline? Yes, it is. Is there at least one antler equal to or greater than 3 inches in length? Yes, ours is. How many points are equal to or greater than 1 inch? We have 6 on ours. Method of take. It was with gun. County was Fayette. Okay. It recognizes that in Fayette County we are in the chronic wasting disease zone, and it asks, do you intend to submit a sample for CWD testing? And that would be a yes. Click on the map to drop a pin or show on map. And I'm just going to do a right where we are. There we go. And then where do you intend to submit your sample? That would be the places around here. We're going to do it at the park, Herb Parsons Lake. Harvest made on private land. And then you save and submit, and that's it. Now, I've already actually done this and got my confirmation number, but this is how you open up the TWRA On The Go app and record a harvest of a deer in western Tennessee. Welcome back. We're at the TWRA official drop station. They have coolers for leaving your deer heads for chronic wasting disease testing, and they're throughout the CWD zone. This one's at Herb Parsons Lake, and you can see this is a beautiful lake. Come out here for fishing and boating, and this is where the cooler's located. You can see this is the CWD testing drop-off container, and you bring your deer up. You need to cut it about 4 to 6 inches below the head. Remove the antlers, take up too much room in here. Place it in a bag. You fill out your CWD sample tag, and you keep the bottom portion for your records. Place it on the bag and leave it in the cooler. You can see in here, you see there's a bunch of deer already set up. And here's your tags, zip ties, and bags. And see, we have 2 to check in. We have the doe that I killed last night, the last day of season. Then we have the last day of regular season buck, which we saw me taking off the antlers earlier. So we're gonna complete this drop off and leave these here, and it takes about 2 weeks to get the testing back. During the prime part of the season, it was taking up to 6 weeks to get it back. So we'll get this done, and hopefully we'll hear back soon and be eating some awesome tenderloin and backstrap. So until then, have a blessed day and go RidgeLife.